my other phone. Ain't no talking on the phone.
What it is, it's your girl Fan that's Nigerian. How are you guys doing today? I am back at it again with a new hairstyle. Guys, it's been a while since I've done a crochet braids, and I had to make sure that when I'm doing this, I want it to be super full. And just to add a little bit of style and a little bit of spin to it, I went on and added my own small little braids to the front of my hair and added some beads, and that just gave it like another spin to this hairstyle, and I just love it. And if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful crochet, stay tuned and watch this video. I will see you later. Peace. So I started off by parting my hair into two sections, and I work within each section at a time. Right here I am braiding the leave out braid for where my beads are going to go into, which is the very first braid. Yes, my hair is mad greasy right now. I just washed and conditioned and just put a bunch of oil in it, and then I blow dried it so it was easier for me to part and braid down. That was the pre-prepping step, you dig? My braiding pattern is pretty much easy. All I do is I just braid everything back. It's the same pattern for all my crochet braids since day one. Nothing ever changes. I'm using Freetress water wave. This is the best hair for crochet, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you now. Watch this step carefully because it is hard for me to explain. What you have to do is basically first you insert your crochet hook into your cornrow, then you put the crochet hair into that hook and you drag it out and you tie it into a knot just like that. continued the same steps all the way through my cornrow until I actually got to the very first cornrow braid. But keep watching, I'll explain to you when we get there. So once I got to the very front, I began to do the invisible crochet method. So please pay very close attention to these steps because it is hard for me to explain. Now that I am about done, I am just adding my beads. popping. The crazy thing about this hair is that it looks better the older it gets, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun watching me do this hair just as much as I have fun doing this hair on myself. This hair is it's the best thing right now during this winter. It just protects your hair, it covers your ears, and you don't have to do anything. You just go to bed, wake up in the morning, shake it and go. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I'll see you later. Peace.